introduced to Sri Lanka in 3rd century BC. Yes. Yes. BC. As the result of 3rd Buddhist Council conducted by Emperor Ashoka. After the 3rd Buddhist Council, the main result was the Buddhist missionary. Buddhism was introduced to 9 countries and Thailand is one. It means Aparanta Desaya, Mahisamandalaya, Maharatteya, Yonakaratteya, Swanna Bhumiya, Tambapanniya, Vanavasa Desaya, likewise. Okay? Anyway, at that time the Sri Lankan ruler was King Devanampiyatissa and Emperor Ashoka's own son known as Mahinda. With the group Ittiya, Uttiya, Badya, Sambala, Mahanama, Sumana Samner and 1 disciple. Okay? At the top of the mountain you can see the rock. There is a rock. Venerable Mahamahinda had visited to that rock. You can climb that rock. Okay? And he introduced Buddhism to the king. Then Devanampiyatissa was going on hunting. Okay, and finally he stopped his hunting and he had listened for the Dhamma sermon of Venerable Mahamahinda. Okay? And it is known as, the first sermon was, in our tradition, Chullahatti Padhopama, the simile of the elephant footprint. With the simile of an elephant hunter, observing the footprint of the elephant, he can judge what a big elephant is in the forest. Okay? Likewise, how a disciple should engage in Buddhism. Okay. And this is the very, very holy place in Sri Lanka, as same as that where Anuradhapura, that Sri Mahabodhi and Mahastupa. The kingdom was exist until the 10th century. More than 13 centuries the kingdom was existed, and this was the main center, the Mihintala. And later in 10th century the kingdom was migrated to Polonnaruwa. Okay. Because that enemy kings from South India, they attacked the Anuradhapura kingdom and they ruined it. After that, the Sri Lankan rulers, they were unable to rebuild the kingdom. Therefore, without rebuilding, they had constructed a new kingdom. Okay, these are ruins. Finally, after destroyed by the enemy kings. So the he had studied the Sinhalese culture. He had observed the Sinhalese culture before he is coming here. Okay. After studying Sri Lankan culture, after Mutasi had died, his son Devanampiyatissa was the throne on king. After he had got the throne, then he came and he introduced the Buddhism to a young king. Then he also was young. After he had come until his death, he had worked in Sri Lanka. He had never gone back to India.